Ever dreamed of making money online but thought, yeah, right, that's only for tech geniuses and influencers? Well, what if I told you that anyone can make money online, even if your tech skills stop at turning on a computer? Stick around, because today we're diving into how to actually make money online. No fancy degree or secret handshake required. Let's turn your Wi-Fi into a money-making machine. Let's face it, the internet is like a giant marketplace where you can sell almost anything. Your skills, your creativity, even your old socks. Yes, really. But with so many options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Don't worry though. In this video, we're breaking it down into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, we've got you covered. And yes, there's humor, because making money should be fun, not boring. Here's the thing. Most people fail at making money online because they either try to do too much at once or give up too soon. It's like trying to bake a cake without a recipe. You might end up with something, but it probably won't be edible. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and pick something that actually fits your skills and interests. Because let's be honest, if you hate cooking, starting a food blog probably isn't the best idea. Let's start with freelancing. This is where you sell your skills online, whether it's writing, designing, coding, or even voice acting. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Think of it as a digital version of a job board, except you get to work in your pajamas. Pro tip: start with small gigs to build your portfolio and reviews. It's like leveling up in a video game. You start with the easy quests before taking on the boss.
This way, boy.
Next up, selling stuff online. This could be anything from handmade crafts to old clothes you never wear. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace make it super easy. It's like having a garage sale, except you don't have to deal with haggling neighbors. Plus, you can sell to people all over the world. Who knows? That old lamp you never use could be someone else's treasure. Here's a fun one. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you're passionate about something, whether it's cooking, gaming, or even reviewing vacuum cleaners, you can turn it into a money-making machine. How? Through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It's like having a conversation with the world, except the world pays you for it. Just remember, it takes time to build an audience, so don't expect to buy a yacht after your first video. Now I know what you're thinking, but what if I'm not good at anything? Here's the thing. Everyone's good at something. Maybe you're great at organizing, or you have a killer sense of humor, or you're the person everyone calls when their Wi-Fi stops working. The internet is a big place. There's room for everyone. And if all else fails, you can always sell your old socks. Just kidding, kind of. If you're good at something, teach it. Whether it's math, yoga, or how to fold a fitted sheet. Seriously, how do people do that? There's someone out there who wants to learn from you. Websites like Tutor.com and VIPKid connect you with students, or you can create your own courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. It's like being a teacher, except you don't have to deal with parent-teacher conferences. All right, here's where things get exciting. I've got a game-changing secret for making money online, so powerful it feels like a cheat code. But before I reveal it, I want to hear your guesses. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And stick around until the end of the video to find out. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. It's like being a digital salesperson, except you don't have to knock on doors. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. The best part? Once you set it up, it can earn you money while you sleep. It's like having a robot butler who works for free. All right, here comes the big reveal. The real key to making money online is consistency, especially when you harness the power of AI. It's not about searching for a quick win or waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's about using AI to streamline your work, automate tasks, and build something that grows over time. Even if it feels like no one's paying attention at first, those steady efforts add up to massive results. Did you guess it right? Let me know in the comments. By following these tips, you'll be on the fast track to making money online and creating the life you want. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which tip you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching. You're amazing. Now go out there and start turning your Wi-Fi into a money-making machine. Remember, the internet is your playground. Go out there and make it work for you. See you in the next one. And hey guys, thank you so much for your support. I just crossed 100 subscribers and I couldn't be more happier about it. I am nothing without you, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Oh, and click here to watch some of my previous videos that will make you smarter.